Hey there, you got some crack? When it comes to hot beverages, Karak tops the list in the UAE. And it's undoubtedly a twist on an Indian tea or beverage called chai tea or something like that, mainly because it uses similar ingredients. And ever since I was a kid, I've been having it almost every day, very regularly actually. So simply this beverage is a tea beverage, so it's made out of tea and milk, along with some spices. And so nowadays people usually buy Karak from these shops or these tea shops that are everywhere in the UAE. And for the sake of this video, I went to try some Karak. So this tea has all the essentials. You got your cardamom, you got your sugar, you got your cream, and obviously the tea. And all of that combines to create a fantastic beverage. However, what you actually do not control is the proportions of all these things. And this definitely is pretty sweet and also pretty fatty from the cream or the evaporated milk they're using. But anyway, equally I decided to also make my own here at home with a vegan twist. And so in the effort to reduce my dairy consumption, I decided to make my own twist on the beverage, which not only allows me to control the amount of cream I put in the tea, but also the proportions of the sugar, the cardamom, etc. And so here we are. I start the process with measuring out the ingredients. As you can see, I decided to add some cardamom and also some saffron, as well as sugar and the tea leaves, obviously, as well as this oats cream, which is available here at some supermarkets. So here's the process. I start with boiling the water, I add the sugar, as well as the cardamom and the saffron. Once they boil, I take the opportunity to taste it and see whether the proportions make sense. And so whether it's sweet enough for me, basically. Right after that, I add the tea leaves, and these I allow to boil for around 10 minutes. Once it finishes the boiling process, I measure it out and put it in a cup where I've added the cream as well as some extra saffron. You can't say no to extra saffron, right? And so there you go, that's my twist on Karak. So there you go, this is the drink. It fits my palate because I don't use as much cream and sugar as they use in the shops. But that's it. I hope you enjoyed A Day with Abdul. I'll see you later.